Tribe Medical is the only Canadian privately owned orthopedic distributor network in Canada.
The unique thing about Tribe is our commitment to our patients. Everything we do is in service of the end user or the patient that's on the table using our products.
We were losing sometimes inventory that would expire, no longer sterile throughout the country. It was costing us, 6 figures a year in inventory that we were discarding as unusable. Certainly with the solution with SAP in this last year, after an entire year, we had no wastage. And that's what Illumity and SAP have brought for us.
Previously, we had a very manual system that took a long time to enter each individual order. SAP is very consistent and efficient where we can just transfer one step to the next.
Now it's almost like SAP can think for us in a lot of ways that was manual before. It saves so much time that we can spend in other ways, servicing our surgical sales consultants and their patients so much better. It's just amazing the difference.
Now that we're with SAP, we're able to integrate with our supplier and we can ensure that our sales numbers agree to theirs at any point in time. It used to take us several days to run sales reports for our sales team. Now we can run that same report in a matter of seconds at a push of a button. SAP has also allowed us to track the information on a regional and territorial basis, as well as down to the individual level. So we are able to run various reports based on specific criteria.
We're not pigeonholed into one standard kit. We can make adjustments on the fly and ship it out as requested.
Since we've moved to SAP, we've been able to adapt to our customers' needs a lot faster. Anything a customer needs, we're able to implement on the fly.
What Illumity and SAP ultimately has done for us is that we have been able to incorporate EDI. Now we're looking at a vendor-managed inventory where we can truly provide some savings to hospitals that are not related to product.
They've been there to help develop our system on all aspects, and I don't think that we could ever ask for anybody better than Illumity.